Okay, now we are in France, okay, and we start with something very special because we start with the top, okay. In France there are two tops which are Bordeaux and Burgundy. Okay, this is a Bordeaux, and it's coming from Bordeaux Superior, which is not the toppest one, but it's very quite mild and very important one. Okay, so I invite you to taste this beautiful Bordeaux Superior. Okay. Besides this Bordeaux Superior, you also have another region which is quite common in France, which is called the Rhône. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in Bordeaux Superior, usually the grape varieties are Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. Perhaps they have some Gamay, but usually it's Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. Okay, that's the point of the winemaking and the winery. And you have also Côte de Rhône, and this Côte de Rhône, which is a region which is quite usual in France. It may be the grape varieties are coupage, may have some Grenache also, perhaps in Gamay. Okay, so I invite you to taste this because it looks beautiful. Okay, choose. See you.